basically my personal opinion, of course I think with the other councilors originally naman na-discuss during sa kanang campaign, the Sinulog will be going back to its original place where it's being conceptualized.
But the SRP is the morning legacy sa BOPK, and we advocate for the development of SRP. Why not SRP?
Yeah, because we understand nga daghan kayo nga disadvantage. So ang netabo, ang original na ito nga gitan-aw where it's being conceptualized niya, mas daghan ang nakatanaw because kiba magagawin to SRP, di mo kung daghan kayo na isakyanan. Ang mga tao na ang Sinulog Magod is basically the worship sa Santo Niño, and we're bringing the worshiping supposed to be, although it's more of a kanahinganan like Mardi Gras, na ibalik lang nato kay mas duol sa simbahan. Wala yung point ako.